Let us learn about the insects. Okay, insects in Hindi. The first one is kachua. Okay, kachua. Kachua means turtle. Kachua means turtle. Kekada. Kekada means grab. Okay, kekada means grab. Then khatamal. Khatamal means bug. Khatamal means bug here. Then chinti. Chinti means ant. Okay, work like a ant. Okay, work like a ant. Don't be lazy. Don't be lazy. Work like a ant. Always be cheerful. Then chipakali. Chipakali means lizard. Chipakali means lizard. Then here sixth one is titali. Titali. Titali means butterfly. Okay, titali means here butterfly. Then the seventh one is makki. Makki means fly. Okay, makki means fly. We can see many flies in the shops like that, in the sweets. Okay, in the season of mango we can see many flies. Then machar. Okay, machar. Machar means mosquito. Okay, machar. Here machar is mosquito. Mosquito is reflects the fever of dengue. Okay, dengue fever is because of this type of mosquito. Okay, beware of this. Then machli. Machli means fish here. Machli means fish here. मछली पानी में नहाती है, पानी में चलती है, मछली. Then मधुमक्खी. मधुमक्खी means honey bee. मधुमक्खी means honey bee. Then bentak. Bentak means frog, which gives more sounds in the rainy season. Okay, frog. Then samp. Samp means snake. Okay, samp means snakes. Then kida. Kida means worm. Okay, kida means worm. Here tita. Tita means grasshopper. Grasshopper. Then jinga. Jinga is prawn. Okay, in hotels we can ask prawn masala. Okay, like that. Jinga. Then once again see, kachua means turtle, kekada grab, khatamal bug, chinti. Okay, chinti means ant, chipakali lizard, titali. Okay, there is a song about titali. Titali titali ujjati hai, like that. Then titali butterfly, makki fly, machar mosquito. Okay, then here machli. Machli means fish. Madhumakki. Madhumakki means honey bee. Bendak. Okay, mendak. Mendak means frog. Then samp. Samp means snake. Then kida. Kida means worm. Tita. Tita means grasshopper. Jinga. Jinga means prawn. Okay, I hope you understand all these things.